Morning, Coryell's class.
Good morning, Mr. Pottinger.
We finished talking about strategies for comparing fractions today. Can you guys put fractions in order and compare them?
Yes.
I see some pencils still up. Pencils should be down. Eyes should be on the screen. Fraction. Fraction is part of the number
1.
A fraction is also the same as what kind of problem?
The division problem.
Top number of a fraction is the
Numerator.
bottom is the
Denominator.
What is another name for a like denominator?
Common denominator.
So both of those are two or more denominators that are the same. Okay?
Yes.
Sweet. All right, we'll talk about the bubble method when we get down here. All right, big news right here. To get a common denominator between two or more fractions, we must find a common multiple. Sometimes even the LCM would be better. But it doesn't matter if it's a common multiple or the LCM. What am I talking about? Let's see here. Here are my two fractions I started with, 1/5 and 3/5. See those guys?
Yes.
Can I compare 1/5 and 3/5?
No. Yes.
Yes, I can. Why can I easily compare those two? Why can I easily compare, Layla?
Because they both have the same denominator.
They both have the same denominator. Therefore, they're easy to compare, right?
Yes.
1/5 of a candy bar is definitely smaller than 3/5 of a candy bar. We have the candy bar cut into equal pieces, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now the next one here, though, I have 1/5 and I have 2/3. Can I compare those two numbers?
No.
And the reason I can't compare them is because they don't have what?
Same denominator.
Do 5 and 3 have a multiple or a common multiple?
Yes.
So if I create a snake, we find that the smallest multiple that they both have in common is 15, right?
Yes.
That's my new denominator. So I'm going to actually write the new denominator below the fractions that I'm trying to find equivalent fractions for, yes?
Yes.
After that, I draw these little things called...
Bubble.
How many times does 5 go into 15 then?
3.
So I multiply by 3, yes?
Yes.
And in order to find the numerator, I multiply the top number by 3 as well. So my numerator is going to be 3, right?
Yes.
So how did I get from 3 to 15 over in this other fraction?
You multiply by 5.
I multiplied in the bubble by 5, and I also multiplied the numerator by 5, right?
Yes.
So is 10/15 equivalent to 2/3?
Yes.
Is 3/15 equivalent to 1/5?
Yes.
So what's bigger, 1/5 or 2/3?
2/3.
Therefore, I write my inequality symbol that way, yes?
Yes.
Can I compare these two fractions?
Yes.
Because they have common.
Denominators.
Can I compare this fraction and this fraction?
No.
But if I find an equivalent fraction and an equivalent fraction for each, can I then compare them?
Yes.
Last thing. If I ask you to put numbers in order, I ask you to put this number in order. Actually, the yellow highlights. 1/2, 1/4, and 2/3. See them?
Yes.
Can I just look at them and put them in order?
No.
Can I? Yes or no?
No.
No, because they don't have what?
Same denominator.
They don't have common denominators. Therefore, I need to use my bubble method, right?
Yes.
I need to find common denominator for all three of them, so a three-headed snake, if you will. And then I need to draw my bubbles to help me figure out equivalent fractions, yes?
Yes.
We good?